Hello, everyone. This is Ziggurat. Back in Mesopotamian time, they used to build these pyramids and architecture aiming to help and save lives of people who were affected by flooding back in the Middle East. People used to climb these pyramids to save their own lives and the lives of their animals, which were the only assets they had. So they called these pyramids ziggurats, which were built across from Iran all the way to Egypt to help people. With the same premise, we want to build ziggurat to help masses and their assets against flooding in the financial market. Ziggurat's mission is to bring new technologies and investment knowledge to light for bettering the human financial condition. The idea of Ziggurat came to my mind when I was trading and day trading in the stock market 6 years ago, with having no edge whatsoever. So I started to put my own knowledge of physics and mathematics and a couple of friends and bring them in to basically build a solution for people like me. My name is Sia Nazari, and here, CEO and founder of Ziggurat, and here is Arash, our VP of Engineering. So the problem in the financial market is that people who have an amount of capital between $1 to $500,000 don't have necessarily access to institutional level quality of analytics and AI edge. What we want to do is to build these edges and bring it to the public. Moreover, they do not have a simple and friendly interface to be able to manage their own money in a very effective way. So also on the user side, there are a lot of issues involved with human. Psychology of money is very strong. People get emotional. They usually don't have analytical mindset, and obviously no technological edges, and they are mostly in the hands of big players. So also there are not many good and sustainable investment strategies. We want to build Zivolve, which is our solution, to be a one-stop shop for all these traders and individual investors, people who are actively trading in the stock market or they would like to become one, either making a living or they want to do it as a side job to have extra income. So the solution is an AI trading assistant named Zivolve. This assistant would help the human by getting a list of tasks done, and in order to do that, they need to have a series of tools. And this series of tools are tools that are going to pretty much help user to do the right and intelligent way of stock picking all the way to making the right decisions and based on their style. If they expect some future, actually gain, or they want for short term or mid term, we want to cater all those folks into a system that can provide and be compatible with all these users. Think of it as a QuickBook, and when you enter, your interface would pretty much match up with the audience and with the user, and we want to build that for our active user and pretty much active retail traders in the stock market. So now let's go to our demo so I can show you how we can use it. We just released the beta version, and you can easily download our app by scanning our QR codes on the website. So let me go to the app. It's called Zivolve, and you get in. This app or AI trading assistant has a few features or tools which pretty much needs to have to help human to make the right decisions. The first feature is search engine. With search engine, you're able to actively and intelligently search for the best opportunities which suit your style of trading. Let me select this stock. You can select the stock of choice. Eventually, you'll have all the stocks and other asset classes available on the app. At this point, S&P 500, Russell 2000, 2,500 stocks, and you're looking for buy and also short opportunities. You can also define your style of investment. At this point, we offer short term, which covers between 1 day to 2 weeks holding period. And later on, we'll have ultra short term for day traders and also mid-term between 2 weeks and to 2 months. And then you define your risk tolerance. If you're a risk-averse person and you would like to maximize your return, you put to the max. The idea here is to along the process to control humans' fear and greed as well. So pretty much everything will be under control of machine by also monitoring by the human too. So you press the search and you find the best opportunities for buy and also shorting. As you see, most of the opportunities are on the short side. And the reason is that market is volatile. So far, we are using only the price and volume data. Later on, we'll be adding news, which those sentiments would take care of ups and downs in a short period of time when political turmoil or radical news come out. And the future prediction would help you to basically see all the opportunities as they come 1 day ahead. For example, this is Apple, and today it's a hold opportunity. Also, we have other features we are working on for top picks. For example, we have the best picks of the day. We are giving it 1 day ahead for the next day, and you can choose and go and execute through these zones that we are giving to you. And we are working on other parts that we'll be completing in the next round and version. Thank you very much. We are in the back at our booth if you'd like to know more. Thanks.